In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use automated image editing with the AI Upscaler tool to remove noise in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly account and go to the AI Tools dashboard. From there, open the Automated Image Editing section and select the AI Upscaler tool. Next, upload the image you want to improve. This would be a low-quality photo, a blurry image, or an AI-generated image with visible noise or grain. Now enter a simple prompt like, enhance image clarity, remove noise, reduce grain, sharpen details, and improve lighting while keeping a natural look. Click Generate and let Artistly AI process your image. The AI Upscaler will automatically clean up noise, smooth textures, and enhance details without needing any manual scale settings. Once it's done, preview the result to make sure the image looks sharp, clean, and still natural. Finally, download your enhanced image in high resolution and use it for your projects, branding, or content creation. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.